I got a request from a viewer to do top 5 crap that Ghost Rider did.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
I'm out here in the hood in Cleveland, my old neighborhood where I grew up as a child back in the day. And I tell you, these are the worst roads ever out here. I tell you guys. Oh, this bike is amazing. Oh, I love this bike, man. It's amazing. But anyways, yeah, well, for those of you guys that don't know who Ghost Rider is, he was like a legend on YouTube. This is a guy that rode around in all black, and he taunted police. He did a bunch of stunts and crazy, doing, you know, speeding out on the streets and videotaping it, and then would upload it on YouTube to various channels. And he was like a mystery. Nobody knew anything about him, and they just thought it was really cool because he rode just really crazy out on the streets. And I never thought he was what I thought it was pretty stupid, you know, the stuff he was doing. But anyways, top 5 crap that Ghost Rider did. Number 1 is he put a dash cam on his speedometer, or should I say on his helmet, and showed his speedometer, posting him doing speeds of 200 miles an hour plus, which I have always thought was stupid. I don't understand why people, YouTubers, motovloggers do that. It's like, look at me, man. I can go in a straight line and do 200 miles an hour, dude. God, this bike is amazing. This bike has got more pull than my CBR 1000 RR, man. This thing is crazy. But anyways, I never understood why you motovloggers out there post your speedometer, dude. That's 200 miles an hour. You know there's YouTube snitches. You know there's going to be snitches that watch your videos, guys. It's going to report you. I don't understand the whole look at me do 200 miles plus per hour in the video. I'm cool. Look at me. Hit thumbs up on my videos. I never understood that. I don't know why people think it's cool. I don't know why you guys show your racing out here on the highway and stuff like that for adoration from YouTube viewers, when you know somebody's going to snitch on you, man. And that'll get to my point 5 stupid thing about Ghost Rider, which it'll lead to that. But anyways, number 2 that was really idiotic and moronic Ghost Rider is that he taunted the police. And I've seen other YouTubers, motovloggers on YouTube do the same thing. Speeding, flying by, doing a wheelie past an officer, and then they're obviously they outrun them because, you know, like Ghost Rider, he's on his bike that can do 200 plus miles per hour, and he beats them every time, flicks them off or whatever he does, and pisses the police off. That is really stupid to do. You don't want to piss the police off, guys, because you know what? They're eventually going to get you, and you are going to pay big time. Very stupid to taunt police, man. And like I told you, number 5 will get to the point to show you, you know, what can happen to you. But anyways, number 3 stupid thing that Ghost Rider did is he wore all black. Yeah, I know he had the whole theme, that's his name, Ghost Rider, and basically that's what it turned him out here on the streets, as a ghost with all black. And I keep telling you guys, I don't understand why you guys wear all black, because it does turn you into a blind spot, man. And I know some of you guys will say, CycleCruza, you ride with all black because, you know, people, you know, you're invisible to cars anyhow. So you might as well look cool riding your motorcycle and be invisible. And obviously you ride defensively as though cars are going to nail you, so you're going to have to outmaneuver them or whatnot. But you know what? You can't stop cars from nailing you from the back. It's very hard to prevent cars from nailing you from the back. And if you're wearing all black, there's a very high chance that you're going to get nailed from the back, man. I'm telling you, I almost nailed a biker in my car, guys. I was out in the country. It was pitch black, no street lights, nothing, and this Harley rider had all black on, man. And he had little bitty tail lights, like, and it was so dark, and I came very close to nailing him from the back because he was like invisible, man, out there. And I'm just like, this guy is an idiot for wearing all black. He should, if you're gonna wear all black, make sure you put some reflective stickers on. Number 4 stupid thing that Ghost Rider did, in my opinion, is that doing the stunts out here on the streets, man. Doing 100 miles per hour wheelie, which is really idiotic, because I know he's a pro at it and he's really awesome at riding, which I don't understand why he took it to the streets to show his awesome riding. I guess, well, obviously you could tell this is a young guy, because young guys, they're always looking for attention, and that's that. I'll get to that in the next point. And I'll tell you guys, he actually had a lot of us fooled, because a lot of us thought he was like a middle-aged guy going through maybe a midlife crisis or something. The reason why he's looking for all this attention is, I don't know, man. But yeah, just doing the crazy 100 mile per hour wheel. I mean, you could be a pro at it, but if you make one mistake on doing 100 miles an hour, doing a wheel, it's gonna set you up for a real effed up day, or possibly you'll have no days left. It's just crazy, man. And speeding in and around traffic 200 plus miles per hour is absolutely idiotic. All it took is one car to get in his pathway and or knock him out, you know, and he's done. It's just really stupid. For what point? To show off? To just, like I said, obviously this person must be a kid because he's looking for attention. And sure enough, number 5 stupid thing, obviously, he got caught. Because he was such a moron to post his videos to taunt the police, which obviously is going to piss him off even more. It's going to give him more incentive and more motivation to find them and get them and nail them. And they did, because you know what, like I said, we got a lot of snitches on YouTube, and all they have to do also was to contact YouTube and they get information. But I think he had a lot of different people posting his videos for him, but eventually that electronic trail led to him, and here it was a 20-year-old kid, not the middle-aged guy that we thought was maybe a former racer or something. It was a 20-year-old kid in Switzerland. He was out in Switzerland, man. They didn't name his name. I don't know why. I don't, maybe in Switzerland they protect your name if you're under 21 or something. But oh man, am I going too fast? We got a copper right there. And this bike is so easy to speed out here on the streets, man. I tell you. Yeah, the kid was 20 years old, man. Stupid kid. And I bet you they really nailed him too. I bet you he got hit with a felonies, all kinds of craziness, man. And I bet you he probably learned his lesson. And that was the last you heard from Ghost Rider. We haven't heard from him since. But you youngsters out there, guys, seriously, in my opinion, it's idiotic to post your little 200 miles per hour speeding in a straight line on the highway. I mean, come on, man. That's not impressive to me. Why don't you impress us all and go take it to the drag strip and let's see what times you can post racing somebody legally, you know, in a much safer environment. Or why don't you go head to the track and post some lap times or something? Impress us with lap times. Do some wheelies at the track. Have fun with it. And but keep that crap off the streets out here. It's just idiotic, man. It truly is. You're putting other people's life in danger. You're putting your life in danger. Not only that, you're risking you know, with you ending up with a felony or put in jail. You know what I'm saying? It's not worth it, man. It really isn't. And for those of you that want to get my gear, you know, my camel pants, my gloves, my helmet, my jackets, boots, everything, I always include links to my gear in the description and comment section of my videos. Or go to my website and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and those are current links to all of my gear and stuff and everything else. And for those of you that want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab, My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with all of my over 1,000 plus videos categorized into those playlists. So hopefully you can find something that will inform you or entertain you. Hey, hit thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps my channel, helps me get motivated to do more videos when you hit thumbs up. Subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. Don't forget also to go check out my other motorcycle channel
that showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything bug out moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.